Before we move on, I wanted to tell you what affects the size of the 95% margin of error. When when the sample size is larger, the 95% margin of error will be smaller because when you're using a bigger sample size, then the sample means are closer together and they fall inside a narrower area, which means that when a larger sample size is used, this boundary moves in toward the population mean, and this boundary moves in toward the population mean. And the area that they fall inside is narrower. So that's why the 95% margin of error shrinks with a bigger sample size. The 95% margin of error also gets smaller when the population has less dispersion. So if this population had less spread to it, and these population members were closer together, then the sample means down here would also be closer together, and the 95% margin of error would be smaller, because the sample means the area that the sample means fall in 95% of the time would be a smaller area. So overall, when a bigger sample size is used, or when the population has less dispersion, the 95% margin of error is smaller because the sample means fall in a narrower area, and the distance from the population mean to these two boundaries will be a smaller distance.